What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry. I had torn my calf muscle. It's finally healed. Let's talk about the Subi. Behind us, we have the new wrap design for the Subaru that my boy Eric at Dirty Devil Customs came out with. Go give him a follow on Instagram if you guys like his work. He's gonna be doing the GT3 RS as well, so we'll put a link in the description. Go comment something nice. You know, it's for his ego. Be like, Eric, we love you. It looks so nice. He gets happy over things like that. With that said, all right, so the reason we came out here is because I'm going to rally school. I'm flying out to Austin, Texas tomorrow to go to rally school for the weekend. And I want to get behind the wheel before I go to school so I don't waste a lot of time on the basics. I know what I realized is I'm gonna need to study a map first because we're totally lost. I have no idea where we're at. I feel like a lot of the racing is gonna be us staring into a map and trying not to get lapped, unfortunately. Guys, where are we at? Which one of these is us? We're trying to find the power line trail, which is basically the same trail that firefighters go to whenever there's a forest fire. It's all the way up in the mountains, so you see an entire valley, and it's about 3 car lengths wide. It's all dirt, so you get to power slide all over the place. Should be fun if we find it.
To be honest with you, I'd back up, come up here to the stop sign that you forgot to see. You see that trail going up along that ridge?
Is that the power line trail?
You'll see power line after Edison campground on the right. It's the last campground on the right. And you can go up over that hill and screw around all the way back.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, we need this seatbelt set up.
Let's see. Are these pins down? No.
I don't like your hand there.
You gotta be quick, Mark.
I know.
Oh shit, hold on. 4th gear ripping. This is the most fun I've had going 70 miles an hour.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh shit. Oh. Woo. Oh. Let's do something scary.
Oh.
Like where we're going.
Oh wait, let me put the seatbelt on.
I can't see. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh,
all right.
Fuck.
Well.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Pull out the map. Let's see where we're at. Dude, that is cool. You could probably do a drone shot there. Of me climbing up that.
Absolutely.
After what, 2 hours searching, we found the trail. Oh my god.
Oh.
How's your back?
I just got my ass handed to me.
If I mess up, it's a 1,000-foot drop.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go a little slow. Unfortunately, there aren't any brake walls over here to save us. Like that one incident with the Porsche. Oh! Oh shit. Yep, here we go. Okay. That is a far drop. That is a big drop. That's a far drop. I haven't been to rally school yet, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Wonderful. I'm really surprised you put all your faith in me. I don't. That does not sound good. Okay. We gotta make a U-turn. Where are we? Oh, damn. God. Darnish. Darnish? Darnish. Darnish. I love the way this thing sounds. That boxer engine? I do. I love that. I can't see anything. Oh shit. This is gonna be fun. Oh, that sounds so good. No way.
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh. We found the GoPro. Still recording. Left foot braking. I don't have to use a handbrake. Ah! 1,000-foot drop. Let's just decide to make a U-turn here. Woo! Sweating, boys. Okay, I'm good. Thank you so much. Oh no!
do this time?
Nothing.
I mean nothing.
Nothing.
John says otherwise.
I'm just here admiring this beautiful view. Look at this. Never mind this area. Don't look here. Just laying a bumper. That's all I do. Mark, I just laid a bumper. Big deal. It's just a bumper. At least it's not a brick wall this time. It's just dirt. Oh, this rabbit came out of nowhere. Oh. So this cat ran in the middle of the road.
Oh yeah, the cat.
You saw the cat?
Yeah.
I saw the cat, yeah. I saw it. It was like crossing right here. And yeah, the rabbit came out of nowhere, so I tried to avoid the rabbit, obviously. And yeah, slid out of control.
Oh, okay.
This way. And straight into the wall, or dirt. I couldn't back up. Not enough room to make a U-turn, so I had to get pulled out. And that's it, nothing else to see.
That makes sense, that makes sense, yeah.
No big deal.
I guess, it's, you know, since I was flying past with the drone, I'm not able to prove you wrong, but.
Did you not catch it?
No.
On the drone? Oh man, that sucks. Oh well. I had a lot of fun, but it is your fault because I told you I was done.
Yeah, you're
and
right.
Yeah, you made me come down, up and down a couple times.
I did tell you to keep going.
Should we look at the car? You know what? Hey, slight improvement. It's on the left side this time. It's on the driver's side. Gutter snake, you'll be happy it's on the driver's side, not on the passenger's. Oh, oops. Yeah, just don't lick her.
Yeah. Oh yeah, did you do this here too?
Well, probably.
Yeah.
But here, check this out. Here's the cool part. Rally car, right?
Okay.
Race car, bro.
Hashtag race car.
Like that. Like it never happened. Just a couple scuffs.
There you go.
You never get a green livery on a race car. Mark Guttersnake told me. I had no idea. He said green is bad luck. That's why you never see it on a race car except for older Jaguars. But yeah, so the Porsche has green, crash that. This has green, crash it on the first day, even before getting on a race. And the Ferrari's black, the Mercy's red. Never crashed either one of those two. No more green, but it looks so good.
It does look
so good.
It does.
They should just widen the roads, all right? This isn't, these roads were made in like 1950.
Yeah, widen the roads.
Before I was born, 1986, they should have added a couple lanes to each road.
That's your excuse.
That's my excuse.
Yeah, you should stick with the rabbit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The jackrabbit too. It was brown. It had a white spot. I could tell from my car. Dude, at least no suspension damage. Shout out to Subaru.
How do you know?
Oh, I don't know. You didn't get it on drone, right? On the drone?
No, yes.
Okay,
There's no way to prove it.
There was a rabbit.
Okay.
It was a big rabbit too. Felt like it was so big. If I hit it, the car would have gotten total, and I would have made the race next weekend. Oh yeah, and this upcoming weekend, rally school. 2 weekends from now, my first race. Rally race, which is why we're out here to practice a little, so this doesn't happen in the middle of a race. Made it back to AGX, finally home with broken backs, bruised egos, hungry bellies. So we're gonna end the episode here. We're gonna go grab something to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Shebang, shebang, but whatever. What am I saying?